to my channel. Thank you for those joining us who are new. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can be a part of the familia. Today is not going to be the typical sewing tutorial video, but I wanted to let you guys in on my grand finale of my new book. I know y'all have noticed I've been gone for 2 months, and yes, in my absence I was working on this book. I pretty much put like a lot of things to hold to kind of do that and deal with school first, because that's just really high on my priority list. But it doesn't mean that I had quit YouTube or that I didn't think about coming back, because I did have a video in the process of editing within those 2 months. It's just sometimes when we get busy, you know, you have to put off certain things in order to accomplish others. And luckily in my absence, it wasn't like useless whatsoever. I became an author at 23. I never thought I would be here, to be honest, but I'm here. I'm an author now. So many of y'all were curious, what is the book about? How did I get this book? So first off, I wanted to start by saying the title of the book is called Mama, Where Do Babies Come From? And here is a screenshot of the book cover. It's so cute, right? My big sister illustrated the entire book, so I thought it was only fair to give her a shout out as well. And her Instagram will be right here for all of her social media pages. So you guys go follow her. She does an amazing job. And if you have a book, she may be able to, you know, illustrate for you. Anywho, so the book is about a little curious girl named Elle, who essentially goes up to her mother and asks, Mama, where do babies come from? Because children are curious, you know, they want to know, how did I get here? And so her mom cooks up this little creative idea or way to explain where babies come from and the miracle of birth. And it's just a really cute story. I feel like it's a great way for children to bond with their parents, and for their parents to kind of explain the concept of birth and other subjects that kind of go along with that, while not being too descriptive. This is most appropriate for ages pre-K through kindergarten. We wanted to keep the book within the early literacy range because it's very important. Actually, the most crucial aspects of reading is in those age ranges. And plus, they're the most curious group. They ask a lot of questions, and usually whenever parents get a question like, Mama, where do babies come from? Or Daddy, where do babies come from? A lot of times they don't know how to answer. So parents, no more. You now know how to answer this question, and it is all in a little book. I am happy to also announce that I will be kind of making more, possibly. So any updates regarding that, I will of course be happy to put it in all of my videos, as well as more updates, because the Kindle version is the only version posted right now. So more updates pertaining to like the printed version and such like that, I will also post on all of my channels, social media pages, etc, etc. And to answer the final question, how do you purchase this book? It's as simple as going on Amazon. I will have it once again linked in the link tree down below, where you can purchase it on Amazon. And if you have an iPhone, you will have to download the Kindle app, which is free. You don't have to pay for that. But you have to download the Kindle app in order to retrieve the book. And any Android phones, I think it automatically downloads to your phone. So that's a, you know, win-win for everyone. And I guess that's it. To be honest, guys, I am kind of overwhelmed. I've been working diligently just to get this book out, to get another video out, to get homework done. Oh my gosh, homework. Ugh. I can't think about it right now, but it's just, this is what I want to do. So I do it for y'all essentially. And so yeah. Oh, I wanted to cry. But yeah, so if you guys know somebody who has a child you're a parent yourself, if you're just curious on buying the book, or if you're expecting, this will be the this will be the perfect time to get the book. The Kindle version is $9.99. We're not sure how much the printed version will be, but like I said, I'll let you guys know when that will even be out, so we don't have to worry until then, right? I want to again give a really big thank you for everybody who supports this channel, who supports my book, who just supports me. It honestly is a lot. It's I just need to breathe. It's honestly wonderful, and I couldn't be any more thankful for y'all, and I just wanted to just give a really big thank you and kisses. Also, thank you guys for coming to my grand opening. And I want to see you guys next time, so don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. That is very important. And as usual, until next time, love you, babes.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.